SignalPeak is still doing absolutely incredible, guys. All right, I want to show you why this is the #1 crypto service on Telegram, giving you signals from over 100 premium groups. Now, I want you to do me a massive favor. Use my link down below because number one, it's going to save you $100 on the lifetime membership. So you're going to get it cheaper than everyone else. And number two, it's going to help me by giving me a small commission, which you can also get with your affiliate link. And it means I'm going to keep making these videos and we can go round and round, helping each other make money. So let's get into it. All right, guys, so you can see here, SignalPeak is going crazy. All right, there's over 11,000 subscribers. Now, how do you get involved with this? All right, you've got to go onto the SignalPeak bot, and you can see it right here. Now, you can get 3 days for free by hitting that link down below. 3 days. You don't have to trust me. You just get involved. 3 days for free. Or, guys, you can pay every single month $250. If you love it, keep paying. If you don't love it, stop paying. No contract. If you want to get a lifetime fee, so you want to save thousands of dollars, you can pay the lifetime fee. And remember what I said, it's not $750, it is $650 because you're going to save $100 with my link. And you'll never have to pay ever again. You can set up yourself an affiliate link, okay? And you can talk to the support, which is absolutely amazing. What do you get? You get all of these groups, guys. Infinity Signals, Binance Killers, 100 premium groups that would cost you thousands of dollars usually. All right, you get all of that by choosing the lifetime fee, the VIP, and never having to worry about a payment ever again. It's absolutely unbelievable. And the most popular one that I've been using is Binance Killers, guys. All right, you can see here. Why is it? Because they send you a signal like this. They'll send you the markup. All right, they'll say this is where we see the marks, the supply, the demand, whatever strategy they use. This is where we see it go in, and here is the signal. So the signal ID is going to be BAND to USDT. This is one that just won, okay, 35% profit. They give you the target, they tell you the profit. But how does the signal look when they're first coming in? Let's have a look at this one. So they send you the markup. This is where the area they marked off. They saw a huge bullish momentum. Okay, they said entry at 0.98 to 10.95. OTE is 1. Targets here if you're short-term targets, if you're a scalper like me, or a mid-term targets if you'd like to be more patient and not like me. All right, here you go. Your stop loss 0.91, and that's how the trade comes in. And guys, you can get this for free. All you have to do is hit that link down below, and you can literally start for 3 days for absolutely free. So make sure you do hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and the bell to be notified. Get that $100 discount right now and get involved in SignalPeak.